Hey everyone, welcome to the PC Pal. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to install Java on a Windows 11 machine. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just someone who needs Java for a specific application, this guide will help you get set up quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. Before the download, let's check if Java is already installed on your computer. Open your command prompt and type this command. Press Enter. If you see a message saying Java is not recognized, it means Java is not installed, and we can proceed with the installation. The first step is to download Java. Open your favorite web browser and go to the official Oracle website at www.oracle.com. Once you're there, navigate to the Downloads section. On the Downloads page, you'll see options for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Click the download link for the Windows x64 installer. This is the most common option for Windows 11 users. Once the download is complete, it's time to install Java. Open the installer file you just downloaded. If prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. The installer will guide you through the setup. Click Next to continue, then choose the installation folder. The default location is usually fine, but you can change it if needed. Once you've chosen the installation path, click Next again, and the installer will begin copying files to your system. This might take a couple of minutes. Now that Java is installed, let's verify the installation to make sure everything is working properly. Open the command prompt, type the Java version, and hit Enter. If everything was installed correctly, you should see the Java version displayed. One more optional step for developers is to set up the Java_home environment variable. This is useful for many applications that rely on Java. To do this, search for environment variables in the Start menu and click Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, click New. In the Variable Name field, type Java_home. For the variable value, paste the path to the JDK folder. Finally, edit the path variable under System Variables and add a new entry pointing to the bin folder inside your JDK directory. Click OK to save and close all windows. To verify the installed Java version, open the command prompt, type Java version and press Enter. This will display the updated Java version installed on your system, such as 2.3.0.1. Next, type the Java compiler version and press Enter. If both commands return the correct versions, now Java is successfully installed on your system. That's it. You've successfully installed and configured Java on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to PC Pal for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.